In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the add and subtract options of the area command. The add and subtract options will allow you to add multiple regions together or subtract regions from others. In this example, I wish to find the area of the overall shape minus the two holes. So I'll begin with the area command, and in the command line, I'm going to choose the add area option. After I select that, I'm going to choose the object option because this shape is a polyline. I'll select my outside shape here. You can see it highlights in green for the add mode. If I take a look at my command line, I have a couple of different area values. I have the area and perimeter of the shape, but then I also have a total area value as well. Now right now those two values match because I haven't added or subtracted anything yet. Notice that I'm still in the add mode. As with a lot of AutoCAD modify commands, I'm going to press enter to tell AutoCAD I'm done selecting objects. Next, I will choose the subtract area option, then object. Now I can select on an object to subtract it. As you can see, it turns red. If I take a look at my command line now, I can see the area of that shape, as well as its circumference, and then I can see the running total now. It has subtracted that value. I'll go ahead and select the other circle. And finally, I can see my final value here. I'll press F2 so I can see all of these values here. So again, you can see my original total here, then when it subtracted the first circle, and then finally the second circle. So to review, I'll start the area command, select the add option, then object, select the outside shape, press enter, select subtract, then object, then select the inside shapes. That concludes this look at the add and subtract options of the area command in AutoCAD.